What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a snowy ride. I gotta go pick up the way for prescriptions, bah humbug. Yeah, and then got a package drop off at the post office. Sending somebody out some beans to test out. Test. Hey, yeah. Another woman grower. Oh, where's my four-ways on? The women are killing it at growing, that's for sure. Don't get me wrong, guys kill it too, but women just do it. I'm sorry about if the camera lens, I'm going to try to wipe it, but it's a bloody snowing out. As you guys can see, I can barely see the road because my visor's not so much fogged up, it's just all the snow. Damn it, I left my bike on all weekend long. I had, oh, signal on. I had stickers. I ordered stickers from Sticker Canada whatever it is, com or CA. And, for the company, like, oh god, for TNT Genetics to put on the packs and to give away to people. So if you want any stickers, email us, tntgenetics2020@gmail.com. Or there's Instagram and all that other links down below in the description. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh god, I gotta get over here. Hopefully I don't wipe out in front. Oh, was that a cop? God damn it. Yeah. But I had the stickers covering my speedometer. So when I came inside, I forgot to turn the bike off all weekend. Removed the stickers just now before I headed out. And was like, oh shit. But it doesn't even phase it. It doesn't even drop the bar. The bike's just sitting there. It doesn't use any power at all. Yeah. Oh, look at all these cars. God damn it. Sorry for the thing where I'm going to shut the camera off now anyways. And go in, do what I gotta do, and come back. Yeah, guys. Okay. Okay, Jesus, 10 bloody minutes in there. That guy there brushing off his car, of course, ahead of me. Comes in with probably, I don't know, probably about 20 scratch tickets, at least. Oh god, she's slick. The bike path, usually there's a bike lane, but here he comes in. So here in Ontario, probably all of Canada, we have these lotto checkers, so you're supposed to, you know, well, it's really to check your tickets to see if you have winners or losers, and then go to the till with any winners. Well, he goes up with probably about 20 some odd tickets, of course, in a pharmacy. I can't even see out of my window. Ah, sorry, I just broke my button again. And she checks all the tickets, and of course he doesn't sign them beforehand, so she isn't legally allowed to take his tickets without him signing them. So he had to sign them. She takes them, loser, of course. Every single one is loser. And then what does he do? He turns around and buys about $150 in more lotto tickets. It's like, buddy, go to the corner store or something. I'm here trying to buy prescriptions and get my ass to work. Of course, I don't want to be a Karen, so I don't want to say anything. You can tell the guy behind me was getting impatient, but yeah, I gave the camera a wipe. It's really coming down out here. Ho, sideways I go. Yeah, you better hold on to Mr. Central Taxi. I can't even see. God, guys. You're probably watching this video and like, I can't say nothing. I'm just listening to TRIPPY speak. Holy shit, it's brutal out, isn't it? What you guys are probably seeing right now, you might be able to see better than me, for Pete's sakes. God damn it. When he comes out and starts cleaning off his car, when this, by the time you clean off one window, it's all going to be covered again. I understand cleaning off your car, but realistically, if there's a foot of snow, fuck yeah, clean it off. But if you just go into the store and it's a powder, what the hell are you doing? No cop's going to stop you. Hey, cop would stop you in this. Probably stop me. You're unsafe for the road, asshole! I'm towing you. Oh yeah, guys, okay. I'll, once I figure out where my sidewalk is. Oh, I can't even see shit. Okay, guys, I'm gonna shut it off here and start again in a minute. Okay, guys. Main road it is, because I'm having a real ishy scene. Drop this envelope off. Whew. And yeah, I didn't even want to go this way, even though it's for a tester. If we go through this kind of driving for a tester, imagine what we do for orders. We always make sure the orders are shipped, done, sealed, packed. We got orders in, they go right away, unless it's the weekend. But you still get don't you fucking dare. I'll boot tooth you, that's for sure. Oh. Green light. I'm having a real hard time seeing the real. I can see a red light, that's for fuck's sakes. Oh, she's a shitty out today. Probably gonna be a shitty video, that's for sure. You can't turn on a red. Oh, that's a fucking cop up there. I was thinking about doing that away on the sidewalk. I should just go right in front of the cop. He probably swing that around, fucking powerhouse, 4-wheel drive. Fuck. Goddamn snow. Unbelievable. Yeah, fucking going. I don't got time to deal with your shit today. Whew, this is yeah, I wonder how much snow we're expecting. No idea. I knew it was supposed to snow sometime today. I didn't think it would be snowing like this. We've already got quite a bit. Goddamn climate control, climate something. I hope my signal's on, 'cause that's where I need to go. Oh, of course, this truck. I don't care. I'm pulling in front of cars. It's snowy out. I'm allowed to do what I want. Okay, guys, I'm turning the camera off. I'll be back. Hope the camera's working. I don't know, fuck. I hope the camera's working, guys. Funny feeling it might not be. It did like some kind of a double beep on me. Oh, in my luck, it's in like what's that? Time lapse. Drive it like you stole it. Yeah. Unless you're on two wheels and can't see anything in front of you. Oh, son of a bitch. Ride to work. Yep. Oh, son of a gun. Son of a gun. Son of a tooth nail on a dinosaur. Oh. I can't really see shit. Oh. Holy fuck. Yeah, I wonder if it's gonna snow. I should have put on my boots. That's what I should have done too. But no, let's put on running shoes in a snowstorm, you idiot. God. Can't see shit. Sorry guys, we're going so slow. I can't see nothing. The snow's just taking up the visor. And yeah, well, there we go, sidewalk. I went drove into that snowbank. And this is why Trippy, oh, it's going slow. Now I can't see because it's in my eyeballs. Son of a fucking gun. I am done with the winter. I've had my fun. Oh, now I got somebody walking here. You're probably right in the fucking middle of the path. So you move the fuck over. What the fuck? I go this way. Fucking people. Fucking alarm clock, can't see shit. At least she knows how to walk. Oh, shut up, alarm clock. You just go off. I frankly don't care. I don't remember both of these things before. You guys can probably hear that alarm clock. Well, at the point right now, screw it. Get on the sidewalk here. Oh, shit. Oh God. I don't know if I'm hitting a snowbank or what, so I'm just trying to. Son of a bitch, that was a snowbank, I think. I'd stop in the tunnel, shut this alarm clock off. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Try not to get my feet wet. Fucking idiot. Put on shoes and this shit. Oh, of course. The phone's in my fucking sweater pocket. Can't even get to it. Piss me off already, phone. Snooze, no. Says the alarm will shut off. Okay. Don't need to snooze on in 2 minutes. Okay. Here I go for round 2. Holy son of a bitch. Just get me to work, please. Hope I get to work in one piece. Oh, yeah. So what's the weather like where you guys are right now? Is it being angry that it hasn't snowed all winter and then boom, at the end of winter it's like, yeah, I think we're going to snow every other freaking day. Again, Tipsy and I were supposed to go to Shannonville on Sunday, but I had to back out because my back was completely screwed. It's completely screwed this morning too. It's still completely screwed, but hate back issues. Now we're in the slush and slop from the city. And I think just go to the main road. As long as I don't die today. Yeah, guys. But Tipsy's sleeping in today. I didn't even message him. Screw it. He probably wouldn't go out in this shit anyways. I don't want to be out in this shit myself. So if I don't want to be out in it, he definitely don't want to be out in it, that's for sure. That's a guarantee. Oh, I hate cutting through those snow piles in the middle, in between tire tracks. That's when it gets all wobbly and shit. Sorry guys, I haven't been wiping the camera, my bad. Hopefully it's not too screwed up, but look at it out. Can't blame a guy for trying, at least. Whew. My fingers are actually cold right now. It's not even cold outside. I think it's from wiping my visor and camera off so much. Because I had snow pants on, but my legs are, my ankles and that are showing bare skin right now. That's not even cold. Because snow pants are riding up on me and I'm wearing shoes, of course. Okay guys, so I'm almost at work, which is a good sign. I've made it and I get to relax all day. Well, actually today's going to be a busy day. I got to put in the orders that they send down next week, so we have shit at the store to sell. It'd be nice if somebody came down and picked up the fucking garbage. Holy fuck, we got enough garbage to last us a year. Just take it sleazy today. Whoa, 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 whoa. You got a little squirrely there. Oh yeah. It'd be so much better if I could see out of my helmet. Give it another wipe. Oh, that just doesn't do shit. Okay guys, foot down, take this corner like a, whoa, not like a champ because I almost lost her. That one's behind me anyway, so I think that's going to be it of that video guys. I wasn't even going to record today, and then I got on the bike and I'm like, I feel like recording. Hopefully I didn't mess up the camera. Alright guys, that's going to be it for that video. Make sure you stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay doing what you love. Hell yeah, cheers y'all.